2020 Year in Review. 2020 was a very eventful year. I had 3,176 sales across all stores. They are as follows: Miss Rhodey, 2,650, Earrings by Rhodey, 7, Homeschool Me, 160, Rhodey's Kitchen, 110, Weddings by Rhodey, 149, Armor Africa, 58, Travel Verses and Gifts, 42. Top 5 best-selling products. As you can see, all of my best-selling items are personalized with both a photo and text. So in the upcoming year, I am going to continue creating products with the personalized photo and text theme. I also noticed that I have a current niche in personalized gifts for fathers. This niche began with my Best Grandpa Ever t-shirt that started selling during the Father's Day holiday in 2018. For every subsequent Father's Day, that shirt and related products started selling in abundance, and in 2019, it started selling on a daily basis. Another niche I am doing well in is personalized birthday cards. This year, I will create more and make sure it has a personalized photo text theme. This year, I will also focus on making viral content in order to pull in more customers through social media. I will utilize Pinterest and YouTube to accomplish this. Thank you for watching.